What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. We're going to talk today about Kindle publishing, particularly about, I am getting tired of saying how much I make. You guys know I make a lot every day now. So instead of talking about how much I'm making, let's switch it up. Let's talk about how much I'm spending for Kindle publishing, because I'm pretty upfront and honest that I spend money to make money, and I spend probably more on ads. Probably more on ads than anyone you know right now. Just telling you up front, I spend a lot. So this is my billing history for Amazon advertising. This is my account, as you can see here. So this is real. So we have a portion of my billing history that starts on the first page with, you can see how I've been spending, quite a decent amount since September here. On October, I spent around, let's just keep the math simple, 1450, 1450. And for November, I've gone ahead and done the math, and this is month to date, as it's still November 27, with a few more days to go. I've spent this month so far $2,591 on ads. And because things are still going pretty aggressively with holiday sales and such, and it's only the 27th, I'm going to say that I'll probably reach around $3,000 exactly, give or take. $3,000 for the month for ads. So why do I bring that up? Guys, I want you to realize, and this is not my opinion at all. This is fact. This is something that you need to come across and just understand this. Amazon is moving away from organic rankings, okay? Being able to rank your book, okay, it's theoretically possible, I suppose, with your little tactics and stuff, but nothing is going to be able to ever replace right now literally just setting up an ad campaign and having position 1 or 2 for a search result on Amazon by setting up an ad campaign. Okay, the biggest, well, I'm not going to claim like I know the algorithm for search rankings, but I've been tracking it, and I know for a fact that the number one factor, or the number one variable that plays into the algorithm, is sales for your book. But if that's the case, how can you be number one for a given keyword without getting sales first, right? So that's why everyone starts now their ads, and in the blueprint, and I even teach you, you run your ads from day one of publishing your book. That way, you already have traffic, you already have visibility to your title, and people can start seeing your book and buying it on day one. And if it's not a piece of crap, if it doesn't look like a piece of crap, at least with the cover and such, some people will buy it. And so from there, that's when the market really has to decide if your book's any good. So that's why we publish good books nowadays and not 30-page shit books for most genres. So I just wanted to put it out there because I don't think anyone's doing this, but I don't want there to be a misconception that I'm making X amount of dollars just because I'm doing some magic tricks on ranking my books. I don't even work on ranking my books, guys. Like, yeah, I do the whole optimization thing and all that, but ranking my books to the first page is not even a priority for mine. Okay? It's not even a top priority. I could have said it's not my top priority. No, it's not even a priority for me. I just run ads for my books. Straight up. And that's how it's going to be. Because, again, you're not going to be able to compete against big box authors, big box publishers especially, for super competitive keywords. Now, theoretically, can you rank your book for page 1 for a no-name keyword that has hardly any competitors? Sure you can. At the same time, how many sales are you really going to get from a no-name keyword? Theoretically, not as much as a super competitive keyword could potentially give you if you pay for that visibility and you pay for that traffic that you pay for cost per click. So guys, just wanted to put it out there. If you have any questions about running ads, leave me a comment below. I guess I'm just supposed to sell you a course on how to run ads, but I did take Marco's course on AMS ads, whatever it's called now, ads for profit. But it taught me everything that I know now about ads. Is it required for you to buy it to run ads successfully? Hell no. I'd be lying if I said that. But it really gives you the book knowledge and technical insights for how to run ads. And if you want to do things on a super optimized level where you are minimizing your spend and maximizing your revenue, taking a course on ads is not a bad idea. Especially, let's even think outside of Amazon. Would you pay for a course for learn how to do Facebook ads, where instead of spending $50 to make $75, you could, after taking a course, spend $10 to make $85? Okay, of course you'd want that. So again, this is not like an income claim kind of thing, but if you take a course on running ads and you'll see some insights on what you can do, with manually setting your keywords, how to monitor the campaigns correctly, what strategic approaches to run with each campaign, you can minimize your spend and maximize your potential earnings after being educated. So I'll leave you a link below. And you don't have to buy it, but if you're interested, you can. So other than that, guys, what can I really say that hasn't been said already? I'm doing well with holiday sales. I'm not really focused on bragging about it anymore because, dude, it gets old. So if you guys need any help, leave comments below with what you might be struggling or coming across with sales during Q4, and I'd be more than happy to help you. So until then, guys, later.